As the last day of this unit, we provide students a formal assessment to figure out kind of where they are in their Revit skills. Because during the project, they can ask us for help, their peers, they can reference those video resources we gave them. So we actually do a formal assessment to see how well they've developed in Revit. So you can see on the left-hand side what we provide them, which is a scenario, which is very... the goal of this scenario is to provide the students a real-world application of why we are assessing them. Why am I going to ask you on the spot to, show me your Revit skills? Because that is something that they actually do in the architecture community. They're realizing a lot of people are like, oh yeah, I know that software, when in reality they don't. So they have built in these little forms of tests for during the application and interview process, and they see how well applicants actually know these computer software skills. So that's kind of the scenario that you're seeing there. It's a little email, and then students are required to follow the below steps to create what you are seeing on the right hand side here. Like, this is their end goal.